Imagine being able to create entire YouTube videos with ChatGPT. OpenAI's latest release, the GPT Store, makes it possible, and you don't want to miss out. While many watch the AI trend from the sidelines, now is the perfect time to jump in. In this video, I'll show you how to make full-length YouTube videos using the newest features from the GPT Store. This is your chance to embrace AI and revolutionize your content creation. Stay tuned to learn how to unlock this amazing potential. To get started, navigate to ChatGPT. Instead of typing in the chat box, click on a specific area to explore various new GPTs with incredible tools and AI capabilities. From design studios to trail maps, the options are vast. Today, we'll focus on a tool called Video AI by NID. Prepare to be amazed. First, let's ask it to generate a compelling video topic by checking current viral trends on YouTube. Self-improvement is trending. To validate this, let's head to YouTube and check the latest trending topics. Get ready to create something impactful. As the new year begins, many are setting goals and resolutions. An anonymous channel recently posted a video that has racked up over 19,000 views in just a month, potentially earning more than $2,000. By calculating the CPM, cost per mil, at an impressive $11 for the self-improvement niche, it's clear they've struck gold. With around 190,000 views recently, their earnings are impressive. Now let's explore how you can replicate their success and achieve similar results. Stay tuned to learn the secrets behind this achievement and how you can apply them today. Let's kick off our project on the Video AI GPT platform by drafting a compelling brief for our upcoming video. The aim is to create a powerful video about achieving our goals in 2024, featuring inspiring quotes from Andrew Huberman, David Goggins, Elon Musk, and Jay Shetty. I asked the AI for help, and it eagerly agrees. The AI then requests additional details: our target audience, the desired tone and style, key messages beyond the quotes, specific themes or messages to highlight, and the preferred video length, short or long form for YouTube. With this information, the AI assures us it can generate a detailed brief that perfectly aligns with our vision. By providing this creative direction, we ensure the video editor, in our case, the AI, produces a video that is both motivating and engaging. I specify that our target audience comprises individuals interested in self-improvement and entrepreneurship. The tone should strike a balance between motivational and educational, considering it a potent combination. Our focus areas for the video will include health, wealth, fitness, spirituality, and relationships. Lastly, I indicate that the video should run for approximately 8 minutes to enable monetization on YouTube. Once the Video AI gathers all the necessary details, it presents us with a confirm or deny button, which we promptly click to proceed to the video creation phase. After clicking the link, we're presented with the first draft of our video. Let's take a moment to review it. The initial narration asks, "What are your goals for 2024? How will you change your life for the better?" As we stand on the precipice of a brand new year, it's the perfect time to consider these potent questions. In my view, this video requires some refinement to excel on YouTube. So let's delve into the editing section. My first priority is to switch the voiceover to a male voice. Given our audience's likely alignment with figures like David Goggins, Andrew Huberman, and Elon Musk, a male voice will likely resonate more with them. Let's proceed by requesting the conversion to a male voiceover from the interface below. The next thing that I didn't really like was the opening of this hook, and what I'm talking about is the script. So if we want to change that ourselves, we can come to the edit box right here. And again, the hook is the most important part, both visually and also what is being said. So show and tell. And the first thing that I want to do is just edit the script a little bit. So maybe for the sentence, a better sentence than what we have right now might be, and I'm doing this to try to get straight to my point because the title is how you actually achieve your goals in 2024. So immediately we go ahead and reassure the viewer that this is what they're here for. This is what they're going to be seeing throughout the video. I also wasn't a huge fan of the second sentence. So if we scroll down, we can see that, okay, this is what Elon Musk said. It's a nice quote, I think it fits. Let's check what else they added. Alright, so a neuroscientist, Andrew Huberman, that's a nice quote as well. So I think that these are both adding value to the script, and I like it. The AI literally pulled that off the internet somehow, and I don't have to go and hunt down a quote. They did that all themselves. That said, I actually like these next few slides of text, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. So let's see how that sounds now.
This is how you actually achieve your goals this year. Look, I get it. Last year didn't go your way, but I have a foolproof plan to 10x your life. So let's dive in.
So personally, I just think that sounds a lot better because it speaks directly to the viewer. But again, especially in this hook, I really want to make sure that we're also visually captivating our viewer. So let's go ahead and edit the actual media that's being shown on screen as well. You're going to do that by jumping back into the edit box here. Let's say that we don't really like that first clip. You're just going to select it and then come over to the search bar here. And since we're talking about a New Year's resolution, let's just type in New Year's goals and let's see what it comes up with. Great, so there's a lot of cool stuff in here and motion graphics. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one because I think it looks really clean and click replace. And then another thing that I noticed is that this clip drags on a little bit too long. Most of the time, we lose people in YouTube videos in the first 10 seconds. Like, the drop off is crazy, so you really want to captivate your viewer in those first 10 seconds. So rather than having this clip be like 4 or 5 seconds long, I think that we should shorten it a bit. And to do that, you're just going to come over to this and lower the duration to 2 or 3 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 for the first one, and I'm going to click Apply Changes. Now that's cool, but the AI continues to kind of fill those gaps. So in order to avoid some of the stock footage that it comes up with, I would keep swapping these clips. And I'm going to do that right now just to make sure that our first 10 seconds are really sticky for our viewers. Great, so once we have our video finalized and we've gone through it and made sure everything's the way that we like it, we can go ahead and export it. And to do that, you're just going to go ahead and click the export video right here. And from there, obviously you want to click no watermarks because if you put up a video on YouTube with a big watermark, everybody's going to click away right away. And to do that, you do need a paid premium plan within InVideo. You can get the Plus plan, which starts at $20 a month and gives you 50 minutes of AI generation, or you can get the Max plan, which gives you 200 minutes of AI generation. When you export, you're going to want to make sure that it's at least 1080p so it comes out really crispy and good quality. And then just go ahead and click continue. So this is what our final product looks like. This is how you actually achieve your goals this year. Look, I get it. Last year didn't go your way, but I have a foolproof plan to 10x your life. So let's dive in. But once we have our video made, we're still not done. We need to make a thumbnail that's epic and attracts the right viewers to watch our video. To do this, we can again just use ChatGPT to do this. I'm just going to ask it to make a YouTube thumbnail of a whiteboard in a dark room with goals on it with volumetric lighting in 4K, and boom, that's actually really sick. Once we export that, then we're ready to actually upload it onto YouTube. The first step to earning through this method is by attracting views with captivating content. With the new tool in the GPT store, this task is much easier. For those who missed the initial AI hype, this is your chance. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to Clicks to Cash for more valuable insights. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. See you in the next video.